What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Today we're going to be going to PBIR because our boy Alex, the one with the 1JIS, who we might be getting a ride along with, is going to be drifting out there. So for now, we're actually going to go meet up at our Pompano Beach Service Plaza, and we're all going to go as a caravan over there. But yeah, guys, so that's that pre-meet that we're going to be doing right now. It's a 30-minute drive from here. So guys, I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we are finally at the gas station. We've been here for a minute though. We're waiting on Alex. But yeah, wow, I'm zoomed in. But yeah, we're gonna meet up with Alex. We're waiting on Alex. We actually lost him. Where'd he go? Hold on, guys, I'll be right with you guys.
Mine is a 60. No, it's slow. Don't worry about it. It's a Honda. See the ace? It's slow. Maybe 5. I say the same thing.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So there was a big ass hiccup. Alex's car got a flat on the trailer. Sorry, the trailer got a flat. But we finally got everything ready and situated. We on the road again. And yeah, so guys, see you guys when I get at the track. Damn. Yeah, now that's something different. It's not a 2J for sure. LSIS. Oh, I got it. That's got a nice ring to it. LSIS. That's awesome though. This is a car that all you guys know is Alex's 1JIS. Luckily enough and awesome enough, we're going to be having a ride along. Yeah, you guys will see it when it comes to time for me to get that little ride along. I don't know, first ever ride along. I can't wait for sure. I'm hyped. Leon's making a comeback. 2002 right there. Little ride along in the 1JIS. I'm excited. So guys, let's see that little ride along.
Turbo is glowing. Look at that. Holy shit. Okay, let's calm down for a little bit.
Yo, we're right here, right? I'm like, bro, where this nigga at?
Damn, that's a 1J in there. This thing's nice as hell though. Dennis out here though, not VTI 1J. Yo, what is it? Dark. Sorry about that, it's real dark though. I'm still slide well, right?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. Damn, you're making me rethink my life. I might want to do an LS swap now.
If I could give you any advice, it would be to just try to get, I mean, because think about realistically, like what I got, I honestly didn't know getting out the gate that I was only going to get 280 to the wheels.
Okay.
Right? So, in hindsight, you know, because this is just a truck motor, it cost me 600 bucks.
Okay.
And then the accessories, like, you know, water pump, all the stuff to make it fit like a Camaro.
Yeah.
Right? But the motor itself is very cheap. With the computer, with the harness, with everything, I bought it for 600 bucks.
Wow, that's not bad. Right. Out of a junkyard or just off someone?
Off of some guy.
Alright.
Right? Came out of a Suburban.
Okay.
Right? So I got 280 to the wheels, which, you know, it feels great and stuff like that, but it's not like true LS.
Yeah.
You know, it's an iron block, and I would like to go NA in the future.
Okay.
Like I like just a pure build.
Yeah.
I don't like. I mean, turbos are nice. Don't get me wrong. I understand they're very smart to do, like for power. But I can't. I like the sound, bro.
No, dude. That's one thing I love. The sound. Definitely.
That's why I did this.
Yeah.
Because of the sound. That's why I like it.
And I'm not gonna lie, it's very different. Like I think I've only seen two ISs with an LS.
Especially to have built it myself, you know?
Yeah, I was watching like I seen like pictures of when you were building it.
I usually hit like the main ones. You'll see which ones they are.
Okay.
Unless I get into like a little flow or something.
Yeah.
Because if you hit the whole thing, bro, you're wasting the tires in a second.
Yeah.
You know, so.
That's not good.
That's not good at all. Look at my wheel.
Oh shit.
It's all up here.
Shit.
Do you want these parts?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll help you pick up everything.
Not too bad.
Yeah, we were saying at least the coilover didn't get destroyed.
Yeah, the coilover didn't get destroyed.
It's probably the most expensive thing.
Is that my wheel there? Yes. That is a fucking fantabulous souvenir right there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what I said. Actually, I said something else.
Damn, everything's off. Rip the V8 IS, man. This sucks. Alright guys, well that was definitely a sketchy ass thing that just happened there. Let's see, everything broke off. The only thing that did survive there was the coilover, but that was sketchy. But hey, the good thing is we're all alright, so that's all that really matters. I'm not gonna lie to you, today's been really awesome though. I'm tired. It's already almost 11, but I don't know. This drifting stuff has peaked in interest. Wow, my hair's a mess. But yeah, it's all peaked in interest to me, I'm not gonna lie. This stuff is really fun. It just sucks you gotta waste so much tires. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know, the culture's pretty cool, everything's pretty cool about this stuff, not gonna lie. It already is! It's at the shop! Why do you think gonna be ending the vlogs right here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Tonight was very hectic. God damn it, Andy. Tonight was very hectic. And yeah, guys, like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Till next time, peace out.